Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is jercallora. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make $100 per day on Clickbank using a free traffic method. Now, the traffic that I'm gonna show you guys is responsible for my first $108 on Clickbank as an affiliate, guys. So this is a case study, guys, on how I use this free traffic method and I'm going to show you as well what product I use to promote in order to make my first $108 on Clickbank. Alright, without further ado, let's get started. But first guys, let me show you first my result and using this traffic method so you guys can copy exactly what I did and what I used to make my first $108 commission. Now, as you can see, we are now on my old YouTube account, and I've already created a case study right here 2 years ago, which how I earned my first 108 and 41 cents on Clickbank. Unfortunately, I cannot log into this account anymore to my old Clickbank account because I'm not sure what happened. They closed my account. I'm not sure what happened. I cannot log into my account anymore. Now, if we take a look closer, you can see this is the first commission I earned on Clickbank, which is 108 and 41 cents. I'm gonna show you exactly, guys, how I did this and how you can copy this method for you guys to use this and make money as well. All right. Now you cannot view this on face in YouTube, guys, because I unlisted this. I can only see this in myself. But if you wanted to check it out, wanted to watch this entire video that I recorded, then you can comment in the comment section below, and I'll send you a link of this video right here, so you guys can watch this as well. All right, so let's go to the Clickbank. So I assume that you guys already have a Clickbank account, but if you don't have a Clickbank account, it's easy to create an account. Just go to clickbank.com and create your account. And once your account is ready, go to Marketplace by clicking on this Marketplace button right here. All right. Now the product that I'm gonna the product that I use to make that $108 guys is Scribble. So this is the product that we are going to promote. This is because this is the product that is responsible for making my first $108 on Clickbank. Right? This is a very good product. This is a hot product, and as you can see, we can make up to $500 using this product. Now, if you're familiar with Scribble, it's basically an ebook creator which allows you to create an ebook even if you're not a graphic designer or if you're not a writer. You can even use this ebook to create an ebook without writing a single line of word. Right now, uh, on how to promote this, what we can do is, we can learn more about this by clicking on the affiliate page. So we can learn more about this product right here. And then this will redirect us to the affiliate page where we can learn more about the information about this product, which is Scribble, right? We can watch this video right here. And there are many information that you can get, like your funnel, your banners, your swipes right here. Now the traffic source that I'm gonna show you guys is Facebook. Now this is responsible for my first $108. All right, I'm gonna show you exactly how it's done. All right, so as you can see in this section right here, there are free written voice Facebook posts that we can use to make money, to share our links on Facebook and to make money. Now what we can do is we can copy. Let's say for example we wanted to use this Facebook post number one. We copy this post right here, pre-written post. You can go to Facebook, guys, and what we can do, guys, is we can join to several groups, and people are interested in buying or selling ebooks or creating ebooks, and join to those several groups out there. And what you can do is start promoting your links by clicking on sell something, or by sharing or your links, or by posting your links, right? You can also share your links to your Facebook account itself. by posting this right here. And you can grab your affiliate links by clicking on this promote button right here. And do not worry about any of this. Just create on link and copy this link right here. So this is your affiliate link. Once a person click this link and purchase Scribble, you can make money. Now we will make this link beautiful by shorting this link by going to bit.ly.com and paste this link right here. And then click on shorten, click on copy, and let's open a notepad and paste this right here. So we won't lose our affiliate link. What we can do now is go back to copy this first and go back to Facebook and paste this by replacing this link word right here, and then paste our link right there. And then once you're happy with this, you can post this and share this to your friends. And once your friends is interested in creating an ebook, once they click on this and purchase Scribble, then you can make money. Now the problem with this, guys, if is that you cannot scale this because you're depending on your in depending on the free traffic. But this is the method that I used to make my first $108. Now if you implemented this, guys, you can make $108 as well, or more than that, right? Just keep on joining to sir sorry about that. Just keep on joining to several groups and keep on sharing your affiliate links. um, that way you can make money. But if you guys wanted to scale, wanted to make more money, what you can do, guys, is set up a Facebook ads campaign. What this can do for you guys is, you can make a good amount of money if you start selling using Facebook ads. Now, if you don't know how to run Facebook ads, um, there's a training called Affiliate Millionaire, guys. This is by far one of the best training Facebook ads training that I've seen so far, and this only costs you a $39, guys, and you can access this for lifetime. What you can make from this, guys, is an unlimited amount of money. As you can see, a newbie generating. Take a look at this amount right here. 1,493,482.70 affiliate commission a Clickbank in just single year alone. Now you can learn more about this by clicking the link in the description of this video, guys. So if you wanted to scale, you wanted to make more money selling, you cannot, you know, you're not just limited to promoting Scribble. You can also promote other Clickbank products, guys. You cannot just limited for Scribble. You can promote multiple different products like health and fitness right here. What else? Databases. There are many products that you can promote, like web hosting, website design, graphics, um, dental health. There are many products that you can promote using a Facebook ads. So if you wanted, guys, to scale and wanted to make more money, I highly recommend this right here, affiliate millionaire. I'm gonna put a link down in the description of this video. And if you guys wanted to invest this, I'm gonna give you a special bonus, which is Spark by Clickbank. Now, if we go to Spark by Clickbank, I'm gonna I'm gonna give you a pre-training as well, which you know you can use this pre-training by not spending by not spending you know by not spending this training right here. Now I'm gonna give you access to this training right here, which is 100-day formula by Robert Blanchard, right? So if you're interested in investing affiliate millionaire, I'm gonna also give you access to this training right here, which is 100-day formula by Robbie. What you have to do is, once you purchase this product, all you have to do is email me your receipt, and I'm gonna give you instant access to this training right here, which you can make up to 100-day with this using this training right here. All right. Now I'm gonna put this link down in the description of this video so you guys can learn more about this. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Um, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions with with this method, just comment it in the description of this video. So I'll try my best to answer all the questions you have. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you see you in the next video. Bye for now.